A resident of a high-rise condominium in Thailand cut the support rope for 2 painters. She was angry that she wasn't told they'd be doing work, and she left them hanging above the 26th floor until a couple rescued them.
Oh, I was going to say, I thought
No, they got
they
rescued.
fell to their death.
No. I would not. No. Would I leave you with that, honestly? I would not. Like, how could you be that angry that you would go cut the rope on these guys?
I know people that would be that angry. Don't you?
Not to do that. Angry, yes. To go cut the rope. Now, we've seen out the window here, and it freaks you out because you don't know. It's like, whoa, where'd that guy come from? But to be that upset about it, that seems like a bit much to me.
I don't know. You've been angry a few times.
A few times. I've been here for. I've also been here for 24 years.
Yeah, I know, but
you can count them on one hand. Fraud is certainly front and center.
Yes, that's true. And you guys are fighting over sports.
Oh, sometimes. Fraud
and cash, give me cash. That was the other one.
Yeah.
Stupid.
There you go.
Give me the money. Over here. Money. Cash. Money. Craig, what do you want? Craig. Craig. Give me cash. Money. I love Russell Westbrook. He's the MVP. You're the great Cartini. Now look at me. Cash. Give me cash.
Wow. That went on longer than I thought.
That's a guy that would cut the ropes of somebody.
I would not cut the rope.
In that state, you would have cut the rope.
Yeah, I
in
would
that
not
state.
have cut the rope. Stop it now.
Yeah.
You had an out-of-body experience that morning.
I had enough.
If you and I were arguing about MLB attendance and he was hanging outside your window painting your house,
you would have cut the rope.